a majoritarian Hindutva government wants its own people in the judiciary, and what have you judges done about it?
I'm happy that I am not part of the Collegium.
That was senior advocate Indira Jaising raising concerns about the secrecy surrounding Justice BV Nagarathna's dissent on the elevation of Justice Vipul Pancholi to the Supreme Court. Justice Pancholi is in line to become the Chief Justice of India for a tenure of nearly 18 months following the retirement of Justice Joymala Bagchi in May 2031 after his elevation in August 2025. He is set to join the Supreme Court on 29th August 2025. Raising the question at a book event in New Delhi, Indira Jaising argued that secrecy in Collegium decisions raised doubts about the criteria used in choosing future Chief Justices.
We have a dissent by the sole woman judge on the Supreme Court in this country who said she disagreed with the decision which was taken by the majority of the Collegium, appointing a junior judge who will be the future Chief Justice of India. I want to know what are the criteria for selecting future Chief Justices of India.
Many media reports speculated that Justice Nagarathna had raised two main concerns. First, Justice Pancholi currently ranks 57th in the All India seniority list of High Court judges, while many more senior and meritorious judges are still in consideration. Second, with Justices Pardiwala and N.V. Anjaria already elevated from the Gujarat High Court, appointing a third judge from the same court, many feel risks upsetting the geographic and institutional balance, especially when several high courts remain underrepresented. Justice Nagarathna is also understood to have flagged the line of succession that Justice Pancholi, if elevated now, would serve as CJI from October 2031 to May 2033, an outcome she felt would not serve the institution's best interests, and also that no women judges were elevated to the Supreme Court. In response to senior advocate Indira Jaising, former Justice Abhay S Oka, former Supreme Court judge, said,
In a lighter vein, firstly, I'm happy that I am not part of the Collegium. And I was the part of Collegium only for 6 months. So this is a question of great deal of concern. And in fact, I have been saying this. We have to define what is transparency. Today, you talk to any Chief Justice, any retired Chief Justices are here. Today, it's a task in hand for Chief Justices to persuade successful lawyers to accept judgeship. Collegium considers cases of say 10, 15, 20 lawyers. When Collegium will say that A is not up to the mark, B has some doubtful reputation, C has something. Are we not concerned with privacy of those individuals who volunteer to give consent? Because if 10 cases are considered, 5 will not be recommended. Other 5, if it is on public domain, they have to go back and practice. So issue of privacy is also there.